the power station.
The Obie and Little Sean Morning Show. What it is with Esty. What it is.
Hour 95.3.
All right, 50 after 7, 7:50 right now. SD's got some news and gossip to catch you up with. What it is.
What it is with Beyonce's father, Matthew Knowles, who is headed to court, and it's all because of his daughter, Beyonce. Ever since he cheated on Beyonce's mom, she has completely pulled away from her dad, and he did an interview about the situation that was apparently blown out of proportion, and now he's going to court and he wants to sue. The article published, it was in the British Sun, blatantly lies about what Matthew Knowles really said. The newspaper claims that he admitted he was devastated at being pushed out of his daughter Beyonce's life for Jay-Z. Matthew Knowles denies making any of those statements in the interview. He also says he never, ever brought her up. Like, he was not referencing her. He never even said Jay-Z's name in the interview. This was all totally manipulated by the author, all trying to sell more copies of the magazine, the newspaper.
They have to make it interesting.
Yeah, he's totally demanding a full retraction. He demands an apology, and he could be headed to court to sue for slander.
Maybe from now on, he should demand that he records. He records these interviews as well, so that way he won't be misquoted, and he could.
But this happens all
those
the time.
tapes if he is,
Yeah.
kind of like sue those people. But they better watch out. Mr. Knowles is known to take out the belt, boy. Let me tell you.
I don't know. I mean,
You
we'll
know
see
what?
how
You
this
don't
all
want to see
plays out.
Mr. Knowles out your peephole with his belt off, smack it in the middle. You know what I mean? You know how to do that.
Don't even know what you're talking about.
No, your parents didn't do that.
No, I was not beaten with a belt.
Sorry.
Okay, what it is with Barbara Walters could be retiring from television. There's been some talk for a long time now, but this time it looks serious. And as soon as next year, 2014, there's word that she's planning on retiring in May, okay? Now, the Hollywood Reporter claims that Barbara Walters will make some kind of official announcement about her retirement in the coming weeks. She has been talking about this since, like, Bill Clinton was president, okay? So it's been a while.
I've been talking about that since George Washington was president.
So shut up, okay? She was born in 1929. But anyways, so there is speculation that this could just be rumor, but she is getting up there, getting old, you know, and she runs
It's
The
about
View.
to be 2029 soon. She's going to be 100 years old, still on TV.
So, but she looks great. Surgery has done wonders. So we'll see if she gets off The View, and we'll see who they replace her with. You know what I mean? Because she definitely adds that very adult, older, always correct, you know what I mean, statement.
She's had a great career, man, a long career.
Oh, she's interviewed with Fidel Castro. Not that that's great, but I'm saying she's gotten out there. She's done that journalism, hard-hitting news.
Not only that, she's
ready to
opened the
move
door
on.
for so many people, not just women, but just people, period. So she's done great, man. So
Yeah,
congrats to her.
definitely. So if she does
Barbara
retire,
Walters.
it'll be on top. And that's what it is. Every 50 after with the Obie and Little Sean show.
I just can't stand this commercial they keep playing on The View.